What do you got for us today, Bryan?
So my widget this week is something that adds massive value to our listings and to our sellers while adding 5 minutes and $20 to our bottom line. What we do is we've already talked about this in a previous episode. We use the Eyespy 360 camera to take 360 photos of the property that we can upload to Zillow, which helps our Zillow ranking, blah, blah, blah. That's all great. The thing that we do now is we upload it as well to Eyespy 360. It's another company that you can upload these 360 tours to. You can create another 360 walkthrough tour. So if you didn't want to use the Zillow tour on the MLS and you wanted to use it separately or you wanted to have it private, it's a great tool for that. But what we love about it is it comes with a built-in floor plan. And the floor plan we upload alongside with all our other images that really give a good flow for the house. It's something that I think people struggle with is saying, okay, I see there's the bedroom, I see there's the bedroom, I see there's a bathroom. How do they all connect? So they have a floor plan that we download directly from them. We just did some research to see what else we can use to do some floor plans, and they have some apps on your phone. And we read a lot of reviews, and the one that I thought we were going to go with until I saw this review is they say, oh, this one works great. I was able to scan it all, and it was really easy. It only took me 2 hours. Next time it's going to only take me an hour. I'm like, this takes us, my guys, 5 extra minutes. They upload it, they submit it. Again, I think there's a monthly fee and a per tour fee, but it's fantastic. It gives us a floor plan really easily.
Cool. The one I'm going to give you guys know Bryan and I love video like crazy, and we're huge fans of BombBomb. BombBomb has been the go-to source for integrating video into your real estate business and all businesses, really. Yeah. But maybe you're just starting out and you just don't have check equity right now. You just can't stroke the check for it. I think it would be one of those things I would find a way to stroke the check, but maybe it just doesn't fit and you just can't afford it for whatever reason. But you still want to be able to send video emails and video texts and stuff like that out to your clients. There is an alternative that does have a free option, and it is called Soapbox, Soapbox. And it's by a company called Wistia, Wistia, Soapbox by Wistia, and it will allow you to do some of the same things that you can do with BombBomb. So you can actually record videos and you can send them via emails. It doesn't have all the integrations and the analytics and all that stuff like BombBomb does, but
which is beautiful.
Which is beautiful, but it gets the job done.
Yep.
Right? And if you're starting out, sometimes you just got to get the job done. Doesn't need to be perfect, because done is better than not done. And it doesn't need to be done great. It just needs to be done. So check out Soapbox by Wistia. They have a free option, and I've used it. We've actually done some recordings and stuff for our team on trainings, and it could be really good. So I would check that out. In case BombBomb doesn't fit your budget, Soapbox by Wistia.
Cool.
Awesome. Well, I hope you guys got a lot of value out of the show today. Really appreciate you tuning in to this episode of the Whissel Way podcast.
See you next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.